This video by its Veg got 3 million views on Instagram, and you can easily create this effect using the VN application. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. Now let's begin. Open the VN application, click on this plus icon. Create a new project, select your video, and import it. Now, click on this original option and select 9:16. Now, go to the filter tool and select any filter of your choice and click on Done. If you want my premium filters, check out the link in the description box. Now, go to the description box below and download this song overlay video. Now, click on this media tool. Select Photos. Select the overlay video. It will automatically be added to your timeline. Scroll a little forward in the timeline. Simply click on it and select the crop tool. Here, select the free option and crop the main section of the video. Now, click on Done. Position it properly, according to your video. Now, search for the blending tool. Here, select the screen blending mode. Now, click on Done. If you still see these borderlines, select the video again and click on the opacity tool and decrease the opacity to around 80. Now, mute the audio of the main layer. Play the video and check out the insane results. Select the video once again and search for Trim tool. Here, you can trim the exact part of the video you want. Once you are satisfied, simply click on Done. Export the final video, and that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.